G'day guys, we're here at the boat show, another lovely Sydney day, and we're standing next to Max. Max is the importer of Nimbus Yachts, which you can see this beautiful W11 is called.
That's it.
Right. Nimbus Yachts is a European brand. It's built in...
Designed in Sweden, built in Poland.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And so Max runs the operation down here in Sydney, don't you, Max?
Correct.
Out near the Spit.
That's right, at Brookvale.
Beautiful.
We got a big yard in Brookvale.
Beautiful.
With 9 or 10 Nimbuses on display all the time.
Fab.
Yeah.
And the reason we're standing here is because Nimbus is one of the other yards that fit the quick gyro at factory level as standard option. So obviously you've been around the industry for a long time, Max, and you know us, and you know who Gineico is and whatever. And
sure.
and tell us a little bit what do you think about the quick gyro?
Love it. No, air cooled, quiet. Does the job beautifully. It's relatively new for this boat. We this is our first one with it, and the feedback from the customers, they don't realise they can get a gyro and 11 metre boat. Yeah, such a sport adventure boat. So
we were talking a minute ago about doing sea trials, which we will do in the next few weeks.
Have it out in some water and really turn it on and get it hammering and get some shots of it. I think it'll be great.
Well, look, I'm really excited by seeing this brand represented here because, as I think we discussed in the past, Nimbus is actually one of the test boats that the quick gyros were developed on.
Indeed, yeah, we seen it last year at the dealer meeting in September. They had it, and it had a lot of people on it and had it going, and it absolutely worked perfectly.
Yeah. Well, look, the brand is beautiful. Obviously, Max is a serious campaigner. He's been around a long time. He's one of the loveliest boat brokers you'll ever meet. So come on down, see the brand, have a look at this boat, and obviously ask him. Don't ask us about the performance of our quick gyros. Ask people who are using them.
Yeah,
and I think you'll be very pleased.
Yep.
Thanks for your time, Max.
Not at
have
all.
a good day, mate.
Yeah,
hopefully
and
it's a good one for you.
Yeah, good
Thanks,
chatting.
buddy. See you, mate. Bye.